Actually, this is nothing but one of the problem of ease of doing business. Now, this is a typical case about one company which has been operational for quite some time and they want to go for the expansion. Only thing is this company is not situated in the industrial estate. So they are situated outside the industrial estate. So they had to go to TCP for the plan approval. That is the expansion plan approval. And once they got the plan approval and they also got the health NOC, and the next step is that they have to go and get the construction license from panchayat. Actually, I don't understand why they have to go to the panchayat for the license, because when the plot is demarcated as an industrial plot and the technical agency like TCP is validating the plan and giving the approval, only in my opinion only thing that needs to be is the license fee to be paid through the panchayat, which could have been directly taken online, can be taken online. And then the future house tax also, because the plan approved is there, area is there, they can charge whatever house tax. So what happened when they went for construction license, this particular punch started asking 6 lakhs rupees as a bribe to pass that to give that construction license. So they asked their consultant to go and approach him. The consultant went to his house and then he came down to 4 lakh. He tried to convince him that he is getting only 2.4 lakh for entire designing the project and executing it. So this went on and he offered I think some 25 lakhs and all. He was not budging down. So then he complained to me as a president of GSI. So I took up the matter with the CM, I took up the matter with the CS, I took it up with other panchayat minister. So some people started saying you don't pay. See, the don't pay is not a solution, because what happens, the project gets delayed and this company cannot afford. Now see, it's such a shame that this is a German based company. They had to approach their German consulate, and then the Indo-German consulate in Goa had to, go and interfere in this. This gives the bad signal, to the people who want to come and invest in Goa. So I urge the people in the power to do certain take up certain policy decision, so that there is a good ease of doing business in this state, and people don't suffer because of this.